Have you ever been captivated by the soulful, often lively, sound of a flute in a traditional Irish music session? The primary difference in Irish flute types lies in their construction and historical lineage, with the most common distinction being between the modern orchestral flute and the traditional wooden simple system Irish flute. The traditional Irish flute, often made from wood like African blackwood or a synthetic material such as delrin, typically uses what is called a simple system. This means it has fewer keys or sometimes no keys at all, relying more on finger holes to produce notes. Its conical bore, which gradually narrows along the length of the instrument, along with its wider hole spacing, contributes to its distinct warm, reedy tone and specific tuning that lends itself beautifully to traditional Irish ornamentation and scales. In contrast, the modern orchestral flute is typically made of metal, like silver or nickel, and employs a more complex bome key system. This system allows for precise chromatic playing and a more uniform, brighter tone across its range, with a cylindrical bore that tapers only at the head joint. If you are looking to immerse yourself in playing traditional Irish music, understanding this difference is key. While a modern metal flute can be adapted to play Irish tunes, the simple system wooden flute naturally produces the authentic tone and facilitates the specific ornaments that define the style. It allows you to more easily achieve the characteristic cuts, rolls, and crans that give Irish flute playing its unique character. Many traditional players opt for a simple system flute, sometimes referred to as a keyed flute, even if it has very few keys, because its bore and hole design are specifically optimized for the nuances of Irish traditional music. The choice of material, be it a dense wood or a durable synthetic, also plays a significant role in the instrument's resonance and feel. These flutes are often handcrafted, with makers focusing on capturing that rich, resonant timbre that is instantly recognizable as Irish. Ultimately, the distinction between these flute types comes down to sound, playability, and musical purpose. For anyone aiming to truly embrace the spirit and sound of Irish traditional music, understanding and appreciating the simple system wooden flute is an essential step on your musical journey, promising a deep connection to a centuries-old tradition.